My name is Braxton III. I'm 23 years old, and I'm from Mansfield, Ohio. I am a junior in college, and my major is communications. I'm the first person in my family to try to complete a four-year college degree. I'm a barista downtown. My nickname is Barista Bean Brack. I usually work most nights, and I come to school on the days I don't work. I've had the opportunity to work with downtown organizations to put on live performances and book shows with local musicians. Me being an artist, I've had the opportunity to showcase my work throughout downtown Mansfield. I found a campus and community in Mansfield that I love. The Career Services Office helped me make connections with jobs and internships. We have a lot of great stuff downtown, a lot of things going on. It's a great opportunity, it's a good place to be. It's a small town, but there's a lot of opportunities here. I've had much success here. I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of people, a lot of musicians, a lot of artists. So me personally, I've been thriving.